Hi guys, here is a quick video on how to use Authentisign. Hi everybody, it's your favorite agent, Robin Johnson, here with a quick tutorial on how to use Authentisign. You'll open your email, you will find an email from me with an invitation for the signing. Simply click on it and you'll go right to the signing. Click on the blue Start Signing button and it will take you to the signing. From here, you accept the terms of Authentisign. Click the blue bar, and then you move on. Now, the first thing you may want to do is read through the entire document. You and I would have already spoken about this document, but you may want to just scroll down and read the entire thing. Once you are satisfied, click on the blue right button on the top right. Then you will choose your signature. You can use one of the ones that is assigned to you in a font that you like. You even have the option of writing your own signature by clicking the middle button, and you can sign it using your own handwriting, or you can even import a signature. For the sake of time on this one, we are using one of the preloaded ones. And then you simply begin clicking through, clicking changes that you've made, such as this one right down here, where perhaps we've added some language. Once you've initialed that, by clicking on it, it will take you to the next spot to initial or sign. In this case, it takes us to the final page where you will simply make the final signature. The very last page takes you to the complete signing button. Tap on that and you are done. Congratulations. Once you have completed the signing by clicking on the blue rectangle box that says complete signing, I will automatically get a copy of it and you're done. Thank you so much for using Authentisign. Call me with any questions, 804-241-5661.